Assalamualaikum. My name is FARAH binti ZINAL and my ID numbers is MDB200704. Today, my group and I will be presenting our product innovation, which is air humidifier with voice recognition by Casa Electronic. Our product names is a voice that's come with three colors, which is white, dark brown and beige. The capacity is 500 ml. Power is LC adapter. Weight is 0.5 kg. Material that we use in construction is ABS plastic, that known as lightweight and strong material. Feature is air humidifier, Bluetooth speaker, voice recognition, LED light, remote control and timer. Country of origin is Malaysia and the price is 130 ringgit. Feature of product. Firstly, air humidifier. The function is to add moisture temperature in our room and your dries. Secondly, Bluetooth speaker. The function is to connect with any device to play song. Thirdly, voice recognition. The function is to help user switching the song and answering call. Furthermore, timer. Consumer can set the time when they want to turn on or off a voice. This can save consumer home electricity. Next is LED light. A voice is equipped with 7 LED lights that are able to provide 7 different colors when we are turning it on. With LED light, this humidifier will look more attractive while we are using it. And last is remote control. Consumer can use the remote control to manage various things when they want to turn it on. They can choose the color of the LED light that they want, set the amount of moisture and humidity, and set the on time and also sleep mode.
Assalamualaikum, my name is NURAINI binti JALAL and I will be presenting about the product level. The first product level is the core product, which is the benefit of the product. So the benefit of a humidifier is it helps moisten the surrounding air and it prevents dryness, which may cause irritation to some parts of the body. Another core benefit is it helps those suffering from sore throats, headache and cough related to dry air. Moving to the next product level is the actual product. As you can see in the slide, this is our logo that we include in the packaging with the slogan which is "Home is in the air." As you know, humidifier helps moisten the surrounding air, so the picture of water drop visualized as moisturizing. And for the slogan, it means we want to create a comfortable home for people through our specialized humidifier. This is our packaging. At the front of the packaging, you can see that we include our product name, the visualize of our product and special features. Meanwhile, at the back of the packaging, the explain of products features can be seen, also with the labeling which is capacity, product model, power, frequency and packaging size. In the side of the packaging, we include a paper with instruction on how to use the humidifier in order to ensure the proper use of our product. Warranty and product guarantee also we include in the same paper. This is the visualize of our humidifier. The air will blowing out at the top with red lights on the area of the spacing, timer at the middle with Bluetooth speaker and voice recognition at the near bottom of the humidifier. We also included remote control with it. The last product level is the augmented product. Customers doesn't need to worry if they have a problem with the humidifier because we have product support and service. For the warranty, if there is any internal damage within 6 months, we can refund customer money and bear all risks. We are confident that our product will give the best experience to our customer as we have run a lot of testing before we release our product. If customers have questions regarding our products, they can contact our customer service and we will ease their concerns. And lastly, you can see that our product type is consumer product, which is shopping goods.
Hi, Assalamualaikum and greetings everyone. My name is ALISHA NAZIRAH. Today I will be explaining the price setting, which consists of the price of our product, why did we choose that price, and how is the price set for that product. And my friend Hanan will be explaining the pricing strategy, which consists of the pricing strategy that we choose, why, the target, and the duration. I will start with the price setting. So, for the price setting, we will talk about the price of our product, why did we choose this price, and how is the price set for this product. So first of all, the price for our product, which is air humidifier, is 130 ringgit. And why is it 130 ringgit? This is because the average price of a high quality air humidifier is in the range of 60 to 100 ringgit. And because our air humidifier is special, it has added features such as Bluetooth speakers and voice recognition. Therefore, the price is a little bit higher than usual. It's a little bit higher than the normal air humidifier. And how is the price set for the product? So, the price set is based on cost plus pricing, or known as markup pricing, which means that from the cost of our product, we will then add a certain percentage. Well, in this case, we add about 40% of markup to the cost of our product, and therefore that is how the price is set. And that is all for price setting. My friend Hanan will be explaining the pricing strategy.
Now I will be explaining about the pricing strategy that has been set by our company. But first, let us look at the two pricing strategies that have stated in our marketing module. Okay. The two pricing strategies that have stated is market skimming pricing, and the second one is market penetration pricing. Let us look at the definition of market skimming pricing and market penetration pricing. What is market skimming pricing? Okay. Market skimming pricing is a product pricing strategy by which a firm charges the highest initial price that customers will pay and then lowers it over time. While for market penetration pricing is a marketing strategy used by businesses to attract customers to a new product or service by offering a lower price during its initial offering. As you can see here, these two pricing strategies is opposite, where the market skimming pricing is we set the higher price when the launching, while the market penetration pricing we set the lower price while the product is out. Okay. Okay, now let us show you what pricing strategy that we have choose for our product AirVoice. Okay, we have chose market skimming price, where we set a high price for AirVoice because we want to skim maximum profit layer by layer from the segments that willing to pay for the high price. Even we know we will make fewer sales, but definitely we will make more profitable than market penetration pricing. Okay, so after that, we also target early adopters to buy our product. But why? Why early adopters? Do you guys know what is early adopters? Early adopters is the term refers to an individual or business who uses a new product, innovation or technology before others did. Okay, they are less price sensitive because either their need for the product is more than others, or they understand the value of our product better than others. Besides, this strategy is employed only for limited duration for us to recover most of the investment made to build this product, AirVoice.
Okay, my name is AUNI MASIRAH binti ZOLKEPLI, and I will explain about place. Okay, refer to marketing strategy. Place is where you promote your product or services and where consumer can find your product. For our product AirVoice, consumer can find our air humidifier at stores that sell home appliances such as Quartz, Harvey Norman, Senheng, and Home Pro. We also supply our AirVoice at online shops through our social media and websites. Shopee and Lazada will also be used in distributing our product as the market is wide in these two online shopping applications. Thus, as a result, AirVoice chose Channel 2 as the most suitable distribution channel.
In this distribution channel, a voice as the manufacturer and our retailer are selected stores that sell home appliance directly to the last user, which is consumer. We choose this type of channel because our retailer had their own name, customer trust, and their own marketing ways. Hence, we believe retailers that the benefits of air humidifier can reach consumer and also can build up our sales. Next, for distribution strategy, we use selective distribution to require limited stores at strategic areas to sell our air humidifier. It is because we can focus and give more effort and attention to help them sell our product. Furthermore, with choosing the selective distribution, it can help consumers to find out our air humidifier at stores located in malls or shops that fit with their preferences.
Target customers. For target customer, we target people that suffer from skin disease and dehydrated skin. Next is people who love high quality and usable products. Our product has high smart technology like voice recognition, which is very useful because with voice recognition, we do not need to manually change music. We only need to give instruction to play the said music.
Hi, my name is NADIRA BINTI ZAHARI, and today I'm going to present promotional mix. Let's go to my slide. So our company uses two types of promotion. One is online advertising and the second one is print advertising. So for online advertising has become very popular in the last decade and has surpassed the expectation of the most advertising expert. For our company, we use Facebook ad, Instagram ad, and TikTok's video. This kind of advertising has become so effective that ads can be targeted to specific people, age, location, and time. In terms of pricing, advertising online is very cheap compared to all other forms of advertising. So next is about print advertising. Print advertising is a slowly decreasing form of advertising. Our company will hand out a lot of flyers to give toward people so that many people will be interested in our product.
So, these are examples of flyers that we create in conducting our promotional activity.
So next, for sales promotion, our company use cash refunds offer and coupons. Cash refund offer are rebates allowed from the price of the product. It's an offer to refund part of the purchase price of a product to consumers who send proof of the purchase to the manufacturer. So, if a customer buys our latest product, which is an air humidifier, we will give them 15% discount. This promotion is limited to 100 customers only. And for the last one is coupon. Coupon is certificate that fetch buyer a saving when they purchasing a specific product. So coupons are designed to introduce a new product and it's very suitable for our company, which has just launched a product that is air humidifier. So our company have two types of coupon. Coupon for non-members and coupon for members. Our company will give them 20% off for 1 month. But after their coupons already expired, the customer will not be given any discount. So, coupon for members also have an expiry date and also can be used for 1 month only. But after their coupon has reached the expiry date, they will still get 10% price off when they buy our product. They get 10% price off because they are our regular customers and they will get more discount when we produce our new product in the near future. And that's all for me and my group. Thank you. Bye.